Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you're always on the hunt for that one product that promises to elevate your hair game to the next level. Well, today I've got something that might just do that. We're diving into the ALFAPARF Milano Pump for Semi di Lino 500ml mask, a luxurious hair mask that's all about restoring and rejuvenating your hair with the finest ingredients. If you're struggling with dry, lackluster hair or just need a bit of pampering, stay tuned. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss one of my honest reviews. So, let's talk about this product in a bit more detail. The Semi di Lino line from ALFAPARF Milano is all about high-end hair care with a focus on nourishment and shine. This particular mask comes in a generous 500ml container, which is ideal for those who want to invest in a product that can last through several treatments. The pump dispenser is definitely a thoughtful touch, making it easier to get just the right amount of product without making a mess. The mask itself is formulated with linseed oil, which is known for its rich moisturizing properties, along with other hydrating agents that promise to leave your hair smooth, shiny, and deeply nourished. Now, let's talk about how this product actually performs. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and the first thing I noticed was how easy it is to incorporate into my routine. After shampooing, I applied a generous amount to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. It has a rich, creamy texture that spreads easily, and it doesn't feel too heavy on the hair. The scent is subtle but pleasant, which I appreciate since I don't like hair masks that are overpowering. After rinsing, my hair felt noticeably softer. I'm talking silk soft with a healthy, glossy finish. The best part? My hair wasn't weighed down at all. It didn't feel greasy, which can sometimes happen with heavier masks. I also noticed that my hair styled a lot smoother and with less frizz, which is definitely a win. I've used it in both my morning and evening routine, and it seems to work just as well at any time of day. However, one thing to keep in mind is that if you have extremely fine or thin hair, you may want to go easy on the amount you apply. The mask is very hydrating, so too much could make your hair feel a little too weighed down. For me, using just the right amount works wonders. In terms of pros, this mask definitely delivers on its promise of nourishment and shine. It's formulated with top-tier ingredients, and the pump dispenser makes it convenient to use. I also really appreciate that it doesn't make my hair greasy, something I'm always cautious about with rich masks. On the flip side, one con I noticed is that it's a bit on the pricier side, so it may not be the best choice if you're on a budget. But the quality and performance definitely justify the cost, in my opinion. Now, let's talk value for money. This product is definitely an investment, but if you're looking for a luxury hair mask that really delivers, it's worth it. The 500ml size means it's going to last quite a while, and the high-quality ingredients make it a great addition to your hair care routine if you're serious about treating your hair to something special. If you're looking for something similar, but at a more budget-friendly price, I'd suggest looking into masks from brands like Shea Moisture or OGX. They don't have the same high-end formula, but they can offer a similar nourishing effect at a fraction of the cost. In terms of build quality, I love that the mask comes in a sturdy jar with the pump. It feels premium, and the pump makes it much easier to control how much you use without overdoing it. As for longevity, this mask should last a long time since you don't need to use a huge amount each time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I've also had some positive experiences with ALFAPARF Milano's customer service. They're responsive and helpful if you have any questions or concerns, which is always a plus when you're spending money on a high-end product like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work as well for you as it did for me? To wrap it up, the ALFAPARF Milano Pump for Semi di Lino 500ml mask is a fantastic luxury option for anyone looking to give their hair some extra love. It performs well, offers incredible hydration, and leaves hair soft and shiny without weighing it down. If you're willing to invest in quality, this mask is definitely worth it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.